Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're well and eating good. Today I have for you this delicious black garlic and truffle pasta that takes less than 10 ingredients and 10 minutes to make. And yeah, you're going to want to try this, so let's get right in. Firstly, this video is sponsored by Prozzies and we're using their black garlic. It is amazing. It's essentially just aged garlic and it becomes super sweet and just full of antioxidants and amino acids, and it's really good for you. So please click the link down below and use my discount code to get your hands on some. Amazing. Okay, we're also going to need some pasta. I'm using tagliatelle. I'm using also some chestnut mushrooms. Now the truffle part of this is through truffle oil. Truffle is very expensive, but for those of us who want to go light on the pocket, you can get some truffle oil. I'll have some links down below where you can buy this, and you should be able to get it at loads of stores like TK Maxx and stuff. I'm also going to add some lemon, both the zest and the juice, some parsley, mine was getting a bit old, and some black pepper with chili flakes, all to taste of course, pink Himalayan salt, which is also from Prozzies, and a lot of garlic. So even though we're using black garlic, we also want fresh garlic in this recipe. They're both different aspects of garlic and you need them both. Don't argue with me, just do it. Okay, so I'm going to prep these and come back. Now, slice the mushrooms, slice the garlic and everything, chop the parsley, and here's what the black garlic looks like. It's literally just darker in color and it's legit jet black. Like, this is the difference. On my left hand side you have the black garlic, and that's just normal garlic there, fresh garlic, and once peeled you'll see it's literally like yin and yang. I found this so cool. I could literally talk about garlic all day, so let me just cut to the good part. But anyway, it looks a bit like licorice when you cut into it. Like, it's jet black all the way through. You can even taste it. It's so sweet, quite shocking. So first thing you want to do is put the pasta on to boil. I'm not going to show you guys how to do that. Just follow the package instructions. This will cook in the same time or even quicker than your pasta. Okay, so then in the saucepan you want to add in the truffle oil and the garlic into a cold pan and then put on the heat. We do this because we want to infuse the oil, and you don't want the garlic to burn at all. So literally put it on, and then when you heat the oil up, you then want to add the mushrooms. Not when the garlic's brown or anything, it'll still be raw. Just add the mushrooms on top. So we're going to sweat this all down together. Okay, and then we're going to put just a sprinkle of salt. This will draw out the moisture from the mushrooms and help them sweat down quicker. So also Himalayan salt from Prozzies, so please use my link down below and get yours. It's really good for you. Really, really good for you. Better than table salt. Okay, so we want to mix this around, make sure everything's coated in the oil. Just sweat it down. It literally takes like 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm cutting it down. I don't want to waste time showing you guys that. I'm being a bit extra. Ooh, flambe. So I'm mixing that around, making sure everything's sweating. And then now I'm going to add in the chopped black garlic. These are going to be like nuggets of just sweetness. You're going to be so shocked by this. Honestly guys, I really do recommend you try to get your hands on this because it makes the dish. It really does. So we're going to mix it around, make sure we're infusing it and everything. Don't look at that, my nail is not dirty, it was the garlic. So I'm going to add in the black pepper and chili flakes. This is to taste, of course. If you feel like you want to add other seasonings, then be my guest. I feel like this is one of those dishes where salt, pepper, the truffle flavor's enough, the garlic's enough. Yeah, just less is more sometimes. Okay, so now I did have to turn off my mushrooms, so the pasta actually took longer to cook. So this actually it's actually the pasta we're waiting for. Everything else is so quick. So yeah, I put it back on, and once my pasta was al dente, which is how I like my pasta, I then added it directly from the pan into the mushrooms. I didn't drain it, I just put it in so that some of the water could come in and then it could emulsify and get all nice. And emulsify just means blended with the juices and stuff. And yeah, so I'm using my tongs and spatula just to make sure I'm getting all the seasonings from the pan in there. Feel free to add in some pasta water if your pasta isn't cooked enough. I then added a bit more seasoning. I adjusted, tasted it or whatever. Added some chili flakes and black pepper because I like it. I'm so sorry my arm was in the way. I did not realize. But yeah, just make sure you're tossing it and mixing it and getting everything nice and in there. And then when I looked at it, I thought this deserves a bit of butter. Okay, so you will need butter for this recipe. Sorry that I didn't say that in the beginning. It's just that it kind of just gives it a nice gloss, and enhances the flavor, gives it a nice richness. Vegan butter, you can use this. So this dish is still vegan. Okay, just use vegan pasta, use vegan butter. Everything can be substituted. Okay, so you just want to mix that in. Make sure the butter is coating it. Can you see how glossy that looks? Looks delicious. And then I'm going to add in the parsley at the last minute once I've tasted it and I know everything's nice and combined. Sorry guys, I also forgot to mention that I did add in the lemon juice and lemon zest after I added the parsley. I didn't show it, I'm so sorry. So yeah, remember to add the lemon at the end to taste. That is also optional, so thank you. And really, this is one of those dishes that less is more. Like, you can enjoy this on its own with a glass of white. Amazing. Like, it's just so good. Okay, you know, if you want to add more garlic, you could add garlic powder as well, like just to garlic it up even more. You know, the garlic is cooked down so it becomes sweet and it's just fragrant and delicious. Now, because I had some garlic left over and some parsley. Oh, I did add the lemon juice too. I am so sorry. I did not tell you guys. I forgot to tell you guys I added the lemon juice at the end with the parsley. I then made like a parsley oil, which was literally just some garlic, the black garlic, parsley oil, and lemon zest and truffle oil. So literally all the ingredients, and I just mashed it up. So I didn't bother showing you that. But yeah, drizzled it on top, and there you have it. I will have all the information on my blog post, but please enjoy and, you know, click that link down below and get yourself some black garlic because it's really amazing, like really, really good. So tell me if you try this, send me photos, and hope you have a good day. Bye.